Magnitude 6.9 earthquake shakes Venezuela, Trinidad and Grenada.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Trinidad and Tobago has been rocked by a massive earthquake, causing serious damage to property in the Twin Island Republic on Tuesday. Social media has been flooded with images of destruction to roadways, popular buildings, supermarkets and cars, with some residents announcing that they are safe. According to the University of the West Indies Seismic Research Center, the 6.9 magnitude quake struck at latitude 10 degrees north and longitude 62 degrees west. The quake had a focal depth of 73 kilometers. The epicenter was off the Venezuelan coast near the town of Gyuana. The quake occurred at approximately 5:30 p.m. and lasted for almost a minute. Reports suggest that the tremor was also felt in Barbados, St. Vincent and Gyuana.
Wow! Look, that is biggest!
It's heaviest and longest earthquake.
It lasted long. Yeah. Yeah. It stopped.
No, it's still shaking.
Still shaking?
Yeah.
Slide. Earthquake just in. Now, watch how everything's shaking. Everything's shaking real dread. All the cars squeaking, poles shaking, house rumbling. Watch on my van. I want to know what's shaking so. This is insane. Watch how everything's shaking. Way! Watch at that. Watch at that. Huh? What happened over there? Sparks?
Yeah.
That was an intense earthquake.
Oh my God.
Woo! Hold on, relax, relax. Come. Longest ever.
Wow. And it's still shaking. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What an
Long time I felt Shane.
Oh my God!
Nah, boy. A good minute long, huh?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.